Yeah, kia ora everyone. Just wishing you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 2020 has been a real tough year, and we really appreciate you guys, staying home when you had to and that stuff. And, just over this festive season, make sure you wear your life jackets and that you stay safe and stay away from those rips and, look after each other, because next year hopefully will be a better year for us. And, yeah, shout out to that guy, Dave Lawatia, on his kayak. Heard he's been hassling the cousins over and on the west coast. Gives us a break. Anyway, guys, kia ora, and we'll see you on the other side, eh?